Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you on my account how you can view terminated profiles. So for example, I'm doing a thing like for example, here if you try to view a terminated profile, Roblox wouldn't even let you do it because basically, for example, you want to search Lark the Tart 2, and then you see I entered Lark the Tart's username, and then you submit, and see Roblox won't let you view the profile. And as you can see, if we go to Lisa Gaming Stinky Profile, I'll just type in her username. And then you see that's, and then we're gonna click. Dude, I did not meant to go to this game, to this. Need to retype it. And then you see there's Lisa Gaming Stinky Avatar right here. And then, you know, if you go through her profile, I wish I can just edit Bell Gaming's username and change it to Bell Gaming Fart Blocks. That's what the username should be. And then if you see, you go through the profiles. Oh, there's Lark right there. You see there's 2 of her accounts that got terminated and you cannot click on it. So for example, you can go to this website that I found, Roblox Trade right here. It's like the site where you're able to view profiles of players. So for example, you want to view a terminated player. So search for banned Roblox players. So you would type in the username that you want to view that got terminated. So you see there's Lark the Tart right here, and then you click her profile and it says that this player has been terminated. And I know when people get terminated on Roblox, that means that they got terminated because they were violating the rules and stuff. And when the player is terminated, that means that Lark, she cannot access her account, and Roblox deleted everything off of her account, meaning if she got her account back, she would basically have to rebuild again, like if she made a game. So now you will see the inventory history, and then you see that basically Lark was okay, basically, but I don't know this because basically it's private. But if you go here, I would say February 3rd is when she got terminated. So I'll show you another example too. So for example, you want to go to Parlo Phone's profile, and Parlo isn't terminated right now. You'll see his cool avatar. I even like those wings he has. I even like you, Parlo. You're awesome. And I like that crown right there. I think it's a crown, but you see that. You see the inventory history, and he is okay because you see that the total wrap, he has 1,330. Oh no, I'm reading this wrong. I need to learn this. 1,000. Shoot. I keep reading this wrong, but now I know what it is. 133,232 Robux. So that's how much Robux he has. Then you go to his profile here, and then you'll see the Bun Bun Girls, which are fake. And I'll do another video soon to show you how you can avoid the Bun Bun Girls. And you see that you go through his profile here, and there's Lily Uncanny's account right here who got terminated. And there's Looped Q right here. He's my favorite YouTuber. I even like that Gnarl unicorn beanie he has on. And then you see that there's the Dip Dip girls right there and the Bun Bun girls. So for example, again, you wanted to view a profile of the Bun Bun girls. So if you wanted to view like Bun Bun Lucy, I'm doing link because I don't basically want to like retype and stuff. And then you see there's Parlor right there. And then if you close out here, it says we are strong, but if I edited the bio, I would say we are garbage because the Bun Bun girls are garbage and they're fake also. And if you like basically see a Bun Bun girl, you could try to be nice to them, but if they say, basically, if you dress up as a noob and they say, haha, ugly, you can just say rudely that you are fake hackers and you are more like the fake girls. And then you can just leave on immediately because the Bun Bun girls would basically hack you. But basically the Bun Bun girls cannot hack you unless they had your password for your Roblox account. So now you see the Bun Bun Lucy right there. That avatar is ugly. And you see that the group got content deleted. 8707, blah, blah, blah. And then you see this Parlo fan group. And then if you go to her friends right here, you almost see that a lot of the Bun Bun girls' profiles are terminated. And you see that this Bun Bun girl here got terminated. Basically, almost like the Bun Bun girls get terminated, even though they don't have Bun Bun in their username, they will still get terminated. And you see this Bun Bun boy right there looks weird, but he got terminated. And then you see here that there is this Bun Bun girl right here, Bun leader. So basically they just put Bun in there because if you tried to put Bun Bun in your username, it would say that the username's not appropriate for Roblox. And you see that her bio got content deleted by Roblox. And then the player doesn't have no items. So you see that the account status is terminated. And then if you view her profile inventory history, basically she got terminated on February 19th, 2021. And now we're going to view her friends. What, an error occurred? Alright. And then now we're going to go back to her profile. Bruh, it's not letting me. I have an idea. I can search like Bun leader. And then you see she's right here again. And then her account got terminated. And then if you see her friends right here, you see that two of these profiles of the Bun Bun girls are terminated. And I say that this guy right here is a fan of the Bun Bun girls, I think. And you see this Parlo right there. And then I can show you an example of how you can basically view your own profile. So if you search players and you would search Sweet Cookie Queen, shoot, I accidentally put 3 E's in there. And then you see that's me right there. And I have an icebreaker and some cool glasses in the shadow head. And then I have a private inventory basically. I did it where everyone could see it, but I just basically want it to be for friends only because, yeah. Because imagine if Lisa Gaming came to my profile, she won't be able to view my inventory. And then you see my profile right there. There are my friends right there. Almost like not all, some of them are inactive. And also there's my friend, NotXD. I did that because when he told me before that when someone calls him Australia, it looks creepy-ish. almost like Chucky, who looks scary. And then I even like that avatar my friend has. I like the flower on there. I'm trying to wonder how I get it, but I think I was too late for that. And I like the hair too. That's kind of like guest hair, but it's alright. And I like that XD face with those glasses and stuff, like sunglasses. And I like the cartoony idol. And now I'm gonna end my video. So here is basically how I viewed the profile, and then I'll give you the link to the description below, and you should try that out, and you would see that Lark the Tart basically got terminated. And also, you are going to be super happy with this, that you will be like, wow, that Burma Gaming's second account got banned. So again, if we go to Roblox Trade, and you'll see Burma the Archers. This was her old account right here, which she got terminated on January 6, 2021. And then you do a player search, and then you will basically put Burma there, gaming. And then you see that her second account got terminated. So basically, I couldn't remember the date she got terminated, but she basically got terminated on June 10th, 2021 at 4:08 a.m. And basically, I think Burma was like, well, my account got banned. But I'm like, that's what you get, Burma. Alright guys, so I hope that this video helped, and I'll give you the link to how I viewed terminated profile accounts. And also, it would basically show you the date, usually for some players, when they were okay, and then the date they got terminated, and time. So I hope that this video helped, and I'm gonna end it. And this is my display name, Queen Sugar Bubbles, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. And my dog said bye-bye too. Bye-bye.